To download and install Grand Theft Auto San Andreas and other games on your PC, you can use Steam, a platform where you can browse, download, and buy games. First, you'll need to create a Steam account if you don't already have one, which is a straightforward process. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Steam store page, where you can search for Grand Theft Auto San Andreas by typing in the search bar and hitting enter. This will bring up a list of available GTA games, including the definitive edition of San Andreas. When you click on the game, you'll be asked to provide your date of birth, as it contains mature content. After entering your date of birth, you can view the game's page and add it to your cart. From there, you'll be redirected to your shopping cart, where you can choose to purchase the game for yourself or as a gift for a friend. You'll then be prompted to select a payment method, such as Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal, and enter the necessary details to complete the purchase. After buying the game, it will be added to your Steam library. To access it, click on the Library tab at the top of the page and look for the game. You'll see a download button, which you can click to start downloading the game. Once the download is complete, you'll see a play button, which you can click to start playing the game. That's the basic process for downloading and installing Grand Theft Auto San Andreas on your PC using Steam.